Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the PC down and unplugging everything. Do it now. Ground yourself to avoid ESD damage, touch the case, or use a strap. Once done, open the case and expose the M2 area you want clear access. Identify the heatsink mounting method, screws, spring clip, or adhesive pads so you know what to expect. Make sure screws go in the container, prevent loss. Now position tools and get ready to remove the visible fasteners carefully. Next, remove the heatsink fasteners in a controlled way. If there are 2 screws, loosen them a half turn each alternately so pressure releases evenly. If the heatsink uses a spring clip, press the clip and hold the heatsink down while you unhook it. This prevents sudden jumps that can bend the SSD. For adhesive thermal pads, gently warm the metal to soften the adhesive, and then use a plastic spudger to pry at the edge slowly until it lifts free. Finally, lift the heatsink straight up and away from the board. Do not twist because torque can damage the M2 connector. Once off, inspect and, if needed, replace any thermal pads. Clean mating surfaces with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. If the heatsink refuses to budge, reapply gentle heat and retry. If the SSD lifts with it, reseat the module and tighten screws evenly. Troubleshooting tip: if you see bent standoffs or stripped threads, stop and fix those before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.